honestly, what do I wish I had known in high school? Honestly, this is something I was taught in high school, but I know most people are not, so I'll say I wish more people were taught the idea of a big banking word, amortization. And what that basically means is when you take out a loan, like say you want to buy a house, the bank will get most of its interest back on the front end of that loan. So you don't actually start paying off your house till about halfway through the loan, which means the longer you take it out, the more money the bank is collecting, and you're not even paying off your house. So you would be shocked. Just go, like Google amortization calculator and look at the difference between a 30-year mortgage and a 15-year mortgage. The interest that you actually pay the bank, that's not even paying off your house. When I learned that, how I looked at loans completely changed. So